Daylight's Fast Fold Deluxe is the professional presenter's choice for a compact and portable projection screen system. The Fast Fold Deluxe frame and legs are constructed of sturdy 1 1/4 inch aluminum tubing and feature easy release latches for simple, quick setup and teardown of the screen. A black anodized frame finish is also available. The Fast Fold Deluxe complete screen system includes the folding frame and legs, a projection surface of your choice contained in a protective pouch, speedy cranks for easy assembly, and a durable wheeled poly case with built-in handles and a speedy crank storage compartment. Choose from both front and rear projection surfaces that are seamless in all sizes. Fast Fold Deluxe systems using a Daymat front projection surface are standard as a foldable black backed material. This exclusive feature allows for the portability of a fast fold screen with the superior image quality and opacity of a black backed material. Setting up your Fast Fold Deluxe frame is quick and easy. First, remove the frame from its case and wrapping. Next, unfold the frame so that it's lying flat. The snap latches will automatically lock. While holding the bottom of the frame in place, lift the top of the frame to unfold the sides and lock down all 4 corner braces. Lay the frame on the floor and match the top of your screen surface with the top of the frame. The top of the screen surface will be marked on the back. Snap all 4 corners of the screen surface to the frame. Starting at the bottom section, snap the center button and then continue snapping the remaining buttons. Snap the top and sides in the same manner. Attach the legs to each side of the frame using at least 2 speedy cranks per leg. Do not tighten the speedy cranks until all are started. Screens under 10 feet in height will include 6 speedy cranks. Screens 10 feet in height and over will include 8 speedy cranks. Any screen ordered with optional HD legs will include 10 speedy cranks. Once the speedy cranks are tightened, lift the screen and legs and open each leg extension. The Fast Fold Deluxe screen height is adjustable in 6-inch increments, either up or down. Normal screen height is 44 inches from the bottom of the frame to the floor, which is also the standard height for use with presentation drapery accessories. For stability, the frame should not be extended so that more than half of the frame height is above the top of the legs.